The truth is like nature. It's a complex system. The deeper you go off the beaten path, the deeper your understanding of its complexities, its contradictions, its wildness, its mysteriousness. And the truth can be harsh and frightening. And just as in nature, many people don't want to go there. They're afraid. They'd like to ignore it. They build structures around themselves to hide from it. They don't want to look at it. The truth, like nature, can be scary. But to those people who are obsessed with it, something calls to them. They brave its danger, and they find that it reveals something to themselves about who they really are and what they're made of. It's beautiful to the people who have the courage to look at it, even in the darkness. And like nature, the truth can never be killed. It will always exist. It's unconquerable. It will always regenerate, no matter how it's trampled or hidden or obscured. It will always be there waiting for us to have the courage to explore its depths. And the thing about nature, the thing about the truth is, it's a sovereign thing. It doesn't need you to believe in it. It just is. It exists. The thing about nature, the thing about the truth, they're eternal, forever and ever. They will always be there.